Calm guy, polite guy. And of course he wants to speak to his kids, but you know. Mobile phone. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You're in no danger for me. I'm not going to do anything.
Okay.
It's just it's the phone use that I'm concerned about.
I'm just trying to get my bearings on the sat-nav.
It's not allowed though. I'm glad you're a polite and kind person.
Well, listen, manners cost nothing.
No.
You know?
Likewise. I respect you. I just don't respect the phone use behavior.
No, I understand that. And I generally have another phone which fits here.
Yeah.
But this
if it had
phone,
been there, you'd have been safe. I wouldn't have said it. I wouldn't have said boo to a goose.
Slightest thing and it just falls down.
Time to get a new one, I think.
It'll be fine.
Anyway, I wish you well, but bad news for you, I'm afraid.
Yeah. No, I usually have a phone, but with this case,
I believe you. I do believe you.
In the thing, it's a policy of ours anyway.
No problem. You have a good day.
And you as well. Take care.
Bye. So sometimes you can filter on the left and it's alright.